guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, I am really excited for today's episode. If you have seen the thumbnail, we are going to do my second POPMART unboxing. Yes, guys, I would just like to share that this is an obsession that I cannot get out of. I just couldn't help myself purchase anything from POPMART, especially the Labubus, the Monsters, the Crying Again. I love those two series. So every time I would get a chance to purchase them via POPMART store, POPMART online official store, and their live selling broadcast via their POPMART official website, I would be purchasing one because I feel they are very rare to purchase directly from them. So I'm inviting you all to just stay tuned, watch until the end of our episode. Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about lace, about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 5,000 subbies. This year, we are almost there, guys. Every little help, I would really appreciate it. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramiro52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Okay, so guys, we are going to unbox first these acrylic cases for my Labubu monster. So I'm sure that you have already seen my very first POPMART unboxing. If not, guys, I'm going to link it up here, put it on the description box, where of course I have unboxed my Have a Seat Labubu, and I was so happy with the unboxing. That was the first time that finally I get to hold my very own Labubu monsters. So guys, here are the acrylic that I purchased online. So I believe this could be purchased via Amazon, here in the Philippines, Shopee, Lazada. So here, this is an acrylic plastic case, and then I got to, so this is for the Have a Seat. And then of course, just look at the packaging, guys. It comes with a velvet dust bag. How cute, right? I wasn't really expecting that they are going to package it really nicely. And then of course, sorry, it comes with a chain of her own, but of course I do not use this. And then this one, this is a standing up. So this is for the version 1, the macaron one. And then of course, the sitting one is for the Have a Seat. And the reason why, guys, I purchased this one, initially when I have used my Have a Seat Labubu without any acrylic, I was so scared. I was a little bit panicking that what if she gets dirty and something like that. So I decided to purchase this one. And then, I think also one of the flaw, what happened is that the Labubu would always face like this, and I was hating that one. So when I purchased, finally today we went out and I was able to use this one, and she is perfect. Just look how cute her name is Cici, and she always stays in place. She doesn't go like this. So I'm happy with my purchase. So now let us move on to the next ones. Alright, so second set of unboxing. We visited the mall, so we were as early as 9 a.m. I'm also going to post a photo. I think the video or the vlog would come out first. Labubu that I wanted to share. So this is not mine, guys. So my friend Jenny, my dear friend Sissy Jenny, she is unable to visit the store today, and she just texted me because I sent her photos of what was available on the store, and she requested if I could go back to the store and purchase something for her. Of course, I do love my sister Jenny, and I got her this. And this is the Labubu Time to Chill vinyl plush doll. So I cannot open because of course I would want her to have the experience, but I'm just going to put a photo here of what this looks like. And surprisingly, I thought the price of this one is 11,000 Philippine pesos, but it's not. It's just 3,600. So she was asking me, why are you not purchasing this one? Because I told her currently I am not into figurines yet, so big or small I am not, except maybe for the Space Molly. So the Space Molly is kind of tempting me because I have seen that the Space Molly, you could purchase the acrylic case exactly for what Space Molly you got, and then you could use it as a bag charm. So I told her that currently what I'm obsessing with are the pendant plushies, because we are bag collectors, right? Luxury bag collectors, and I wanted to decorate my luxury bags with the Labubus that I have. And I feel if I'm going to have this, I told her I cannot, put her or hang her with my luxury bags. But anyway, hopefully she enjoys this one. Enjoy, Jenny! Alright, so next set of unboxing. So guys, again, this is not for me yet. So this is for my dear friend Kay. She lives in the USA. And she texted me because she has seen my Facebook stories that I was able to purchase Labubu Monster at our POPMART store. And she asked me if I could purchase for her. Of course, she's also a very dear friend to me and I would want to share this experience. So she requested that I purchase 2 Labubu Monsters for her. So I told her that I would be purchasing her today and she agreed. And she also agreed that if I could take a peek of what is inside, I would not rip off the plastic, I would just check the card. So I opened already the box underneath because I would still want her to have the full experience. So this one, do you have any guesses what she got? Of course, we have this. It's still sealed and we are not going to open that. So she got, so here she is. So she has green grape. So that is for my dear friend Kay. So she has a friend coming here to the Philippines and then she's going to hand carry this back to the US. Next, we are going to unbox another set, and this one, of course, is for my partner, Yen. So, initially, he was really hesitant to purchase because he already has a Have-A-Seat. He's not really into collecting Labubu Monsters right now. I'm trying to convert him, so maybe little by little, I would be able to. So, initially, he was really happy with Have-A-Seat, but when we were already at POPMART and we were already at the cashier, I told him that it is really rare. Just like with my friend from the US, so she's already from the US, but she requested me from the Philippines to purchase a Labubu. That's how rare for you to be able to get your Labubu Monsters nowadays at POPMART store, at POPMART online store. So this is Jens, and I'm going to give him the honor of ripping out the bag. So let me just give, because we slightly opened the bag already. So here it is. So let's see what we got. So we just did that, guys, so it will be easier. Going to give it to him, and then it's going to rip it open. So 1, 2, 3. And he got, what is the name of this one? Okay, so this is lychee berry. Oh, super cute. So I think this is the very first time that I am holding a macaron labubu. Okay, so the hands. Okay, so the hands you could actually move. How cute. So if you haven't seen this one, so here she is. So this is lychee berry. Super cute. So this is the bottom of the feet. So this is the version 1, the very first series. What do you think? So now let us move on to my actual items that I purchased for me. Alright guys, now my turn. So let us unbox what I purchased. So this one, so this is my very first Labubu that I purchased from a reseller online. So I wasn't really, have no idea yet how to purchase or where to purchase. So good thing is I already authenticated this one and it is 100% authentic. So let us unbox. So here she is. So do you have any guesses? 3, 2, 1. Okay. It's nice. Oops. Oh, crap. Okay. I don't want to look at this one. Here, a little bit of ASMR. I forgot how to call this a while ago. So, front, back, 3, 2, 1. Ooh, oh my god. Ooh, I love the color. Here she is. Oh my god, I love the color. Oh, she's so pretty. She looks like my hehe. Later, I'm going to get my hehe. Oh my god, she's so cute. Ay, she's so cute. I love the color. Oh, I love the face. They have the same face. They have the same face. Super cute. Let me get hehe, guys. One moment. Okay, guys. So, I just got hehe. So, this is from my first unboxing. This is from the Have-A-Seat Labubu. And this is from the Macaron series. How cute. So, this is a lighter gray. And then, this is like a true gray. How cute. How cute, right? And, guys, she's really cute, to be honest. Sorry, lychee berry. But I love her. She looks really cute. This is, I find her really, really cute. So, let's see. Of course, you could move the hands. How cute. I love her. Yay, I'm so happy. So you could move the head, you could move the hands, you could move the feet. How cute, guys. So which is better in your opinion? So I've already used Hehe. So I'm going to put some photo on how I use Hehe. So this one, when I use this one, she doesn't have the acrylic case yet. So she was moving constantly, and I would find her like this. This one would face front, and then her face would face, you know, the side of the bag, which I was really hating. That's why I purchased the acrylic. Yay, so excited for the two. Yes. So now let's move on to the next one. Alright guys, for the second to the last Labubu unboxing. So this one, I don't have any idea what she is. So I was shaking her a while ago, and she was the heaviest. I've watched a couple of videos, and some would say if you want to get the secret, then maybe she would be the heaviest. So of course, we are not sure if that would be correct. So which one would I like to get? So now we have lychee berry. Kay got the green grape, and of course a while ago, so we have sesame bean over here. So what we don't have soy milk, we don't have toffee, we don't have sea salt caramel, and of course we don't have the secret. So my number one, of course, getting the secret, and then my number two choice is definitely no dupes. So hopefully no lychee berries, and hopefully no green grape, and of course definitely no sesame bean duplicate. So guys, please cross my fingers because we purchased these separately. So this is separate anyway, so let's just do this. So let's make it quick, and hopefully, so by the way, this is the sticker for my sesame bean. Let me just put it there. Okay, I'm a little bit nervous, and hopefully, so I don't want to look. Hopefully, we are not going to get any dupes. Oh my god. And 3, 2, 1. Oh my god! Yay! We have, I think this is what I really wanted. Yay! Oh my god, guys, we have soy milk. She's so cute and looks really delicious. Wow! It's as if I got a secret, but guys, really, this is my first choice in getting for my last unboxing. Wow! Her blush on is a little bit red compared to my other ones. I'm not really sure why, but look at her. Oh my god! So we got 3. Yes! Oh my god. Super, super cute. What do you think, guys? So lychee berry. We have sesame bean. I'm really happy. Oh my god. I'm so lucky. Yeah. So guys, let us do the last unboxing. I would like to share them to you. Guys, look, I have attached her to my Alma PM. They are so cute. I forgot to mention. So this is CC, and this is soy milk, and they're almost the same shade. So I'm so happy, and just look at them. They're like little babies. They're so cutie. They're so cute, guys. Don't you think? If you are getting obsessed, guys, with Labubu or pendant plushies, may it be this one, Crying Again, and others, please comment down below. So now let us move on to the final unboxing of the evening. So this one, I purchased this during the New Year restock at the official POPMART store. So they have announced on their Facebook page that they're going to restock January 1st. So I've waited. So luckily, I was able to purchase this one because this is one of the series that I'm also in love with, and it is the Crying Again series. So this one, so these are the characters that you can get. So we have I'll bring you a flower, duck you, I'll give you all my love, she's Alice over here, and then we have 2 more, What a Frog, Love Makes Us Cry, and we have 2 secrets over here. And I would like to share you a secret as well. I don't want to get the 2 secrets because I've already watched a couple of videos of this one, and the 2 secrets doesn't have any costumes wearing, and I want them to be wearing costumes. So I want to get of course, number 1, she's Alice. And of course, loves make us cry. I love the dark brown color because I feel she is going to withstand any dirt if you're going to wear her as a bag charm. But anyway, any of these I would also be happy to get. So this is my very first Crying Again Crybaby series. So hopefully I would get more in the future. Actually, it's a Powerpuff Girl collaboration. It's on its way. That would be part of the other unboxing. So let us unbox in 3, 2, 1. Oops. Oh, okay. Tape. So this is the first time. So let me see. So I don't want any... Oh wow, packaging is cute. Packaging is cute. Where is it? I can tell. I love the, the giant baby face of this one. 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, she's so cute. I got the what's her name? Let me just get the card. Ah, she's so cute. I'll give you all my love. Oh my god, guys, just look at her. Oh my god, guys, she is so cute. Just look at her. This is the first time that I'm touching a Crying Again Crybaby. So I'm so happy that I got. Her name is I'll Give You All My Love. Oh, definitely I will give you all my love, you little cutie pie, you. So this is the card. So cute. And I think she is a bunny. Correct me if I'm wrong. So she's wearing this hat over here, and it has this pink whiskers. So this one cannot be removed if I'm not mistaken, as you can see. And her cute little body. And I think what I am so in love about the Crying Again series, of course, the tears overflowing like this. And just look at the expression of her face. It's like she is really upset and she is wanting to start a tantrum. Oh my god. So let me just attach her to my bags over here. Guys, honestly, I am so happy with this unboxing and I can't wait for the next set. So I'm just waiting for the other packages to arrive because I purchased them via the online shop, the official online shop of POPMART. So they're currently on their way. Guys, just look at this one. So I don't have the other two Have a Seat that I have. So I have here CC, then of course I have here soybean, then I have sesame, am I correct? Sesame bean, soy milk rather, soy milk, and then of course I'll Give You All My Love. How cute. And then of course Yen has lychee berry. Just look at the very cutie happy family. So for the macaron one, guys, I think I'm not going to purchase anymore. Well, never say never, right? So maybe one last time, but definitely I would want to purchase more of the Crying Again series because just look at her. She is so beautiful and really, really so cute. Guys, please do comment down below if I'm the only one who is currently so obsessed with these kinds of pendant plushies. I would love to hear from you. What are your thoughts about this trend over here? So if you love them, hate them, anything that you are thinking, please comment down below and let's have a discussion. Guys, thank you so much for staying with me in today's unboxing. As mentioned, there would be a part 3. I'm just waiting for the others to arrive. So hopefully you enjoyed our unboxing session. And if you have stayed until this part of this episode, kindly leave me a bear emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon over here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 5,000 subbies. We're almost close, guys. Thank you. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's @Ramira52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see you on the next vlog. Bye!